Let's watch this for a minute and you tell me if these are the kind of stocks that you like. AMKR, look at this move from 16. This is why people subscribe to Trade Ideas. I'm going to like this stock, make sure I have it in my heads up. ORMP, look at this move from 6. It's already in my like because this is the data that I watch. Here you see what's going on. So this type of streaming alert window that's automatic is what separates Trade Ideas technology from all of our competitors. You're not going to find this on any other competitor except for Trade Ideas. Again, especially with the ability to customize it to show you anything you want, like unusual volume spikes, or if it crosses above the 2x daily volume, or if something's trading above yesterday's high, close to the highs. This is the intelligent and more sophisticated way to view stock market data. Come visit us at www.trade-ideas.com.